Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel, Pharma World. Today's topic is 21 CFR Part 211.196 Distribution Records and Other References. Pharmaceutical product distribution records are very important documents. These documents help tracing the already distributed product into the market. This will give information on the various locations where the product is being distributed. This is a commercial aspect of the distribution records. The purpose is also to trace the product specifically to withdraw from the market in case of any recall. This is critical aspect to control the adverse impact of the defective distributed product. Let us see the prescription of various guidelines. Let us start with 21 CFR Part 211.196 and go to the other references. Distribution records shall contain the name and strength of the product and description of the dosage form, name and address of the consignee, date and quantity shipped, and lot or control number of the drug product. These are the chronological order of requirements to trace the product distributed. The manufacturer will have these details. However, the distributor should additionally have the reconciliation of further distributed product until the individual consumer, because finally the consumer is the one who gets impacted badly by using that defective product. The name of the responsible person and the contact number should be part of the records, because this information can be used for fastest mode of communication with the distributors. Email communication is also faster, but the distributor should acknowledge the email communication at the earliest possible opportunity. For compressed medical gas products, distribution records are not required to contain lot or control numbers. The primary method of supply of medicinal gases is to be supplied into bulk storage from where it is delivered through a medical gas pipeline system. So it may not be feasible to maintain individual batch numbers or lot numbers of the medical gases. Let us also see the prescription under ICH Q7 guidelines for APIs and intermediates and drugs and cosmetics rules 1945. Section 10.24 of ICH Q7 prescribes a system should be in place by which the distribution of each batch of intermediate and or API can be readily determined to permit its recall. Section 10.24 prescribes the requirements as a generic requirements through an established system. The system may contain all the information provided as in section 21 CFR part 211.196 at a minimum. Section 25.2 of Schedule M prescribes records for distribution shall be maintained in a manner to facilitate prompt and complete recall of the batch if and when necessary. Section 25.2 of Drugs and Cosmetics Rules also prescribe an implied system to encompass all critical documents for quick and effective traceability. Hence, it is clear that the data is required for a potential recall. Let us see the prescription under CDSCO/GDP.pp document. 13.5 section prescribes records for the dispatch of pharmaceutical products shall include at least the following information. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization CDSCO, the apex drug regulatory body, prescribes in detail under section 13.5. Here also it prescribes that this information is a minimum requirement for distribution records. Date of dispatch, complete business name and address, no acronyms, type of entity responsible for transportation, telephone number and names of contact persons. So, complete information of the distributor with all details as given here is a must. No acronyms means that there should not be any abbreviated names or other short names or nicknames, etc. for business name or contact person. Details of responsible persons for transportation are also required to be included. Complete business name, address, no acronyms, and status of the addressee. Example, the retail pharmacy, hospital or community clinic. In this, the details of retail pharmacy, hospital and community clinic are also included. A description of products including example name, dosage form and strength if applicable, quantity of the products, that is number of containers and quantity per container if applicable, applicable transport and storage conditions. These conditions are similar to the prescription of 21 CFR Part 211.196. A unique number to allow identification of the delivery order and assigned batch number and expiry date. Where not possible at dispatch, this information shall at least be kept at receipt to facilitate traceability. For product identifier, FDA defines a unique identity for individual prescription drug packages and cases as a code which will allow trading partners to easily trace the drug packages as they move through the supply chain. It includes the product's lot number, expiration date, national drug codes, etc. Section 13.6 of CDSCO prescribes it shall be ensured that records of dispatch contain enough information to enable traceability of the pharmaceutical product. Section 13.6 says, as an implied requirement of Section 211.196 prescription on distribution records to contain enough information for traceability. Such records shall facilitate the recall of the batch of a product if necessary, as well as the investigation of spurious or potentially spurious pharmaceutical products. The assigned batch number and expiry date of the pharmaceutical products shall be recorded at the point of receipt to facilitate traceability. So the intent of section 13.6 is clear. This data is required for a potential recall, if any. I hope the information on distribution records is understood well. Make sure that your distribution records have all the information as prescribed in the various guidelines referred in this video. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Also, please leave a message in the comments box for any further support. Thank you.